Hello y'all, today is Saturday, I believe March 7th, so hello to you. Although you guys probably won't see this to sometime middle of the week when I post it, because I have a lot of videos to post before this, or maybe even the end of the week, but that's okay. So what we're going to talk about today, just real briefly, is Macart Extra Strength Solid Nail Glue. Now, for those of you that are not familiar, you can also use this for sculpting. This is the same consistency and the same everything that you need to sculpt nail charms. So you can definitely use it. And then we're going to be comparing it to the Korean one that I got from Sweetie Nail Supply. This one is Toy Gel Vala, I believe you say. I apologize if I said that incorrectly. So with the Macart, you are going to get more product. You're going to get 15 grams. But what I'm coming to learn very fast is just because you get more product and it's a little bit more affordable doesn't mean that it's the best. And sometimes spending a little bit more means that you use less and don't waste because, well, we'll get into it. So I believe this is 5 grams, but I'm not entirely sure. And this is actually not advertised as a nail glue. This is sculpting gel, and this is for doing nail charms. However, I've already used this a lot and I still have a lot in there. This one, I just start using it now. And they both actually have a very pleasant smell. So if smell is a concern for you when you're getting sculpting gel, they both have a pleasant smell to me. They both of them smell very much like Vicks Vapor Rub to me. Now, they're both pretty much non-sticky to the touch. So they both have that. This one is, I'm going to use my little spatula here to pry a little bit out. This Toy Vala is a little bit firmer. And just because it's firm does not mean that it's not easy to work with. I am a beginner. I've been sculpting nail charms for less than 6 months, or maybe around 6 months. So I can very much work with it. And it doesn't stick to everything. And like I can take it off the nail and have no problem and little to no residue. I can also use the spatula. It doesn't stick to it very much. I can pull it off. It doesn't stick to my hands. It doesn't really stick to any of the tools that I've used yet. I'll notify you guys if that becomes a problem. I can use little to no isopropyl with this one, so that is also a savings. Now, with this one, it is a little bit softer than this one, very much softer. It's not as firm, which does not mean that you can't work with it. You can work with it. It just takes a little bit more time and effort. And if you make a mistake or spread it out, you will have to scrape away or scrub with a brush with isopropyl. With this one, you will need to use isopropyl. I can get away using the spatula. It does stick a little bit to the spatula, a little bit more than this, but not as much. It will stick to silicone tools, so you will have to use isopropyl. Brush, same thing. And it's much, much softer. I will use it because I don't waste here, but when it comes to repurchasing, if I had the money, what would I go with? It would be the Toy Gel Vala. This one is not bad though. I would definitely get it again. I'm going to try it as nail glue too and update you guys then. Bye bye for now. Have a good Saturday, y'all. Bye.